This is the gold-plated logo mockup that I'll be using to let you know how you can integrate your own logo designs into it for an amazing look within minutes using smart object layers. This exclusive logo mockup is available for free download from Creative Alice website in Adobe Photoshop PSD format. This link is also given in the description of the video. Download this free mockup now and open it in Adobe Photoshop. This layer, labeled Your Logo here, is the Smart Object layer. When you double-click the thumbnail of this layer, it opens up another window with the flat logo in transparent background. All you need to do is to just replace this logo with yours. You can just copy and paste the vector logo from Adobe Illustrator, or can insert the transparent PNG logo here. I have a bunch of logos, and we'll see how each logo looks in this gold-plated amazing style. So, copy the logo and switch to Photoshop and paste it here. Don't worry about the paste format, select any as all serves our purpose for this logo mockup. Now, scale it to best suit the canvas. Save the file and close this window. Now, take a look at the logo in an amazing gold-plated style. You can then export this mockup to a JPEG or PNG file to send to your clients and wow them. Following the same process, you can turn any of your logo design to this exciting gold-plated logo style using this free logo mockup. I am sure you've enjoyed this video very much. I would always appreciate your valuable feedback in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and share it, and of course subscribe this channel if you have already not. Visit the website www.creativealice.com to get free logos, mockups, graphic designs, vector artworks, and much more. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Until then, goodbye. Take care and have a great time.